Some days I only have a few minutes after work, and that's usually enough. Everything fits inside this one tube. I like how simple it is. Trying to decide on which fly setup to use. Each section slides into place. I've always enjoyed this part. I carry less and somehow get more. Fishing isn't always about catching. Sometimes it's about resetting. So I love how simple the setup is. The rod just collapses like that. And when I get to the end, I just hold the tip. I just kind of pull the string and it comes off. Tip drops down in. Got a little cap. Then I just take my little line holder. The line, and I've got a couple of these, and I have different flies on them. Pelican box. Got all my stuff for fly fishing in here. I do have a lanyard on it. When I take it in the boat, I clip it in. That way I don't lose it. And then my rod goes in this neoprene sleeve. You just zip it up. It goes in this aluminum tube. Tenkara Rod Company. This is a replacement lid. So a month ago I lost my lid. It's my fault. I think I know where it is. It's my fault I lost it. So I emailed Tenkara Rod Company, and I had looked on their website and I couldn't find this part. So I emailed them and asked them what the part number was and how much the part cost, and went to bed. Next morning I got up and I had an email from them saying that they would look when they got into their office. And then, I don't know, I was at work a couple hours later, checked my email, and they were shipping me one. They didn't charge me for it, which is awesome. But I love this whole setup, and this lid just fits on there so well, and this seems like such a premium product. The way the box, it was shipped in the box, I mean, just right from the get-go, when I opened up the box, it seemed very premium. I did pay for this with my own money. It's not sponsored. I am making this video to thank Tenkara Rod Company for sending me the lid. I would have happily paid for it. Because I just, I was missing the lid. The rod is still protected. I don't have to worry about it, falling out. You have to shake it to get it started. But the rod was perfectly protected like this, but just this lid is, it's just, the lid is a work of art. It's got the logo for the sawtooth rod, and it's anodized. I mean, it's such a cool thing. So that's why it's awesome, dealing with smaller companies, is because they can do stuff like this. They weren't expecting anything from this. Like I say, I purchased this with my own money, and I'm very happy to have this lid. It makes this whole setup just complete. And with just these two things, I can go fishing. So yeah, it's awesome. And I don't know if you can see my car, but I work right there, and I come down after work and I can fish for 15 or 20 minutes, and if I catch a fish, it's awesome. If I don't catch any fish, got this beautiful surroundings right now. There's a alligator hanging out over on the other bank. He's been there all afternoon, laying in the sun. There's an anhinga up in the tree. And I've seen some other little birds and some gulls. And last night I fished, and there was an ibis, a great blue heron, an egret flying by, an eastern phobie, which I had never seen before. I had to look him up on Google, and he landed on that stick just right down there, and I was sitting here at the picnic table just hanging out. I like watching the breeze, you know, on the water and moving the trees. There was an osprey last night. He was sitting in one of the pine trees, and the tree was kind of swaying back and forth, and didn't faze him at all. And of course, now that I'm done fishing, I just, you know, I'm seeing fish. They're chasing the minnows, but that's the way it goes. The Navy flies helicopters and airplanes around here sometimes, mostly helicopters. I'll insert a picture from last night. It was really cool. So anyway, thank you for watching. Check out Tenkara Rod Company for a Tenkara rod. It's such a simple setup, and it's very enjoyable to spend, you know, I mean, even if I spend 15 minutes out here fishing, it's awesome. And now the traffic's died down. Oh, look at that. Traffic's died down, so I can drive home and not have to deal with traffic. Thanks for watching. It's Emory-Outdoors.